What is up, everyone? I am going to just be dropping a quick video here on another affiliate sell, another affiliate commission that I just made here online. And I want to kind of just show you the basics of what it takes and how it happened. This is regarding your Amazon Associates account. So if you're an affiliate, I know a lot of affiliates out there have different accounts, whether you're using ClickBank or Amazon Associates or JVZoo or ClickFunnels. So many different affiliate platforms that you can get involved with and simply market amazing products all across, the spectrum, depending on whatever niche, you're into. But in this particular case, one niche that I focus on with my Amazon associates are real estate agents. And what I do is I simply offer or I simply market books, good books regarding social media marketing and real estate agents, how to be better with social media marketing, how to be a better real estate agent. When it comes to material, there's so many books online and there's so many on Amazon. So with Amazon being just freaking Godzilla when it comes to retail and e-commerce, there's every single product on Amazon. But what I focused on and I narrowed it down to were just books. And then finding a niche where I can offer these books to, and depending on if they buy or not, if they buy the book, great. Even if they click on the link and they end up buying something completely different, as long as they bought within a certain time period, I still make a commission on that as well. So for example, if I post a book, and I'm going to kind of walk you through what I did and how I did it, but let's say, for example, I post a book. They click on the link because the book attracted them. They saw that link on social media. They click on the book, and then they end up going to Amazon where that book is being sold. And let's say they say, you know what, forget about the book. They end up buying something completely different. As long as they bought within a 24-hour period, I make a commission. And it could be whatever. It could be, buying whatever. So I narrowed it down to real estate agents. I narrowed it down to bringing value with amazing books that I have an affiliate link for. So number one, here's what you want to do. You want to go on, create your account on Amazon, become an Amazon associate. That's their word for an affiliate marketer. So go onto that page, and what you're going to do is you're going to hit product links. So log into your Amazon associates dashboard, click on product linking, and you're going to see product links. Here's what I did and here's what I do. So as you pull that up, you can search for any product on Amazon. And so what I do is I type in social media marketing for real estate agents. So let's see if anything comes up under that. I can't even spell today. Agents. Okay. So here's what happens. Here's what populates. All these different books regarding your niche, regarding that particular topic. Amazing. And so here's what I do is I simply, let's say, for example, social media for real estate agents, a complete guide for getting started with social media marketing. This right here, I can click on it and it takes me to the actual sales page. It takes me straight to here. Social media for real estate agents, and it kind of it gives you your normal breakdown. Okay, now what I normally do is I'll take a piece of this, let's say just the title. I'll take a piece of this and I'll simply post it on my different channels. So in this particular case, what I do a lot is I do a lot of Facebook marketing. So I have different groups, Facebook groups, I have different Facebook business pages, and I obviously run Facebook ads. Now, in this case, what I do is I have one page which is marketing tips for realtors. On this page is where I post nothing but great books pertaining to that niche from Amazon. So here's what I'll do. Again, I'll click the link to grab some basic text from the actual sales page. Okay, let's say we do that one, and then I'll go over to my page and I'll simply post it. Just a little, quick text, little headliner to grab their attention. It's actually the name of the book, so that's good. And then what I'll do is I'll grab the actual link. So what you want to do is you want to click right here. This is the full copy paste the link. This is the full link here. It's a long link. You can shorten it. That's what I do. So I'll shorten it, grab this link, copy it, and go back to my page. Let it fetch the preview, and this is what is going to populate. You'll see here. Let's just give this a second, and there it is there. Now, you can obviously take this picture out and maybe try to find a better picture if you really want to, go the extra distance and bring even more, value when it comes to the perception and the way it looks. But in this case, I kind of don't care, because I'm starting to see traction. I'm starting to see activity. People are clicking, and people are definitely purchasing. And I'll show you that right now as well. But that's kind of what I do. And I have several different groups, several different pages where I post these links. Now, this is just the upfront. This is just kind of getting the link from Amazon and throwing it out there. When it comes to email marketing and the back end offers with affiliate marketing, that's a completely different video. But this right here are just the basics on Amazon Associates, finding your niche and bringing value. And in this case, what I'm doing is I'm bringing it through books. And I'm just recommending a lot of great books pertaining to social media for real estate agents. Okay, so that's where I would post it. Now, I posted one this morning already, and this is what happened. Look at this. I posted this 4 hours ago, and all this was the title of the book. I clicked on the link. It brought me to the sales page. I copied the top of it, and I posted it right here. Mindset, model, and marketing. The proven strategies to transform and grow your real estate business. All I did is I put read on Amazon, and I put my affiliate link. That's it, you guys. And this morning, look what happened. Boom, Mindy, purchased. I had to give it a love. I had to give it a heart. Bam. So that right there, you guys, is just simple affiliate marketing. Simple Amazon Associates, taking your link and bringing value to your particular niche. Now, what you want to do for sure is create groups, create Facebook groups. Go into your Facebook, and you can simply go over here to the left side, and you should see groups. So groups right here. This is kind of what you want to do first. Groups. And then up here in the top right, the green button, you're going to click on Create Group. So this right here is how you can create a group, okay? So that's what you want to do for sure. Whatever niche you're attacking, create a group. And don't just try to sell people in that group. Don't just sell people. Sorry, I'm getting a bunch of messages. Don't just try to sell. Bring value. Again, what am I doing? I have a group. This is actually my group right here, Realtors of America. Currently have 4,100 members in the group. And I created that group. I'm the admin, and I'm just building it slowly. And that's the type of value that I'm bringing. Is I'm recommending and referring great books when it comes to social media marketing for real estate agents. And they're loving it. That's an amazing group. And then what I did is I created a page. I created a business page. So you want to go to home in your personal Facebook, and you want to click on pages to the left, and you want to click on create page. So create yourself a page for your niche as well. And again, it's not just always trying to sell something down someone's throat. It's bringing value and really understanding the market and understanding that industry very well. And the value comes first, and then the sales. So this is just a quick video, you guys. got an Amazon associate commission today, which is not a whole lot of money, right? It's not a whole lot of money, but at the same time, it's allowing me to build a group, bring value, and make these commissions. And again, it's not just a commission on the book. Whatever they purchase within that 24-hour, after they click on the link with Amazon specifically, when they click on the link and they go to the book, if they buy anything else on Amazon within that 24-hour period, I make a commission. So they could buy kitchenware, bathroom wear, they could buy clothes, shoes, I don't care what it is. I make a commission, okay? And then if they actually add the book, for example, if that's my link for the book, if they add it to their shopping cart, I make a commission on that for the next 90 days. So as long as that product is still in their shopping cart, then I make a commission on it for up to 90 days. So a powerful, powerful way where you can just kind of bring extra value. There's many other things that I'm doing with this market, real estate agents, for example, but that's just one added channel. It's just one additional commission income stream channel that I can simply grab some amazing books and offer value. And to tell you the truth, most in the niche don't even know that I'm an affiliate. They just look at it as if I'm just bringing value and referring great books, recommending great books. So set up your groups, set up your business pages, run your Facebook ads, obviously. You know, I have a ton of Facebook ads that I'm running for clients and for my personal businesses, but then also make sure that you set up your Amazon Associates account. Okay, so set that up, get your links for any type of product you want to offer, and start bringing value to your niche, to your audience. All right, guys, quick video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, if you're barely coming across my channel for the first time, I'm going to be dropping a lot of fire when it comes to affiliate marketing, social media marketing, e-commerce, landing pages, and just the whole spectrum of online commerce. Online business today is amazing. So hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified every time I drop a video. Hit a thumbs up on the video if you found value. I'm going to be bringing a lot of basics. So I'm really kind of focused on the beginner and bringing the basics, because these basic fundamentals are what kind of build the foundation to help you build a huge, huge business. So subscribe to the channel, smash the subscribe button, and let's stay in touch. Follow me on Facebook. You can find me at David Cantero 3P, and then obviously on YouTube, David Cantero 3P. Hit subscribe, comment below, and let's stay in touch. I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.